What if we told you that with today's method, you're going to be one of the people earning this much money and experiencing all of these success stories? Just by using one website and mixing it with another, you're going to be making thousands and thousands of dollars. And to be able to get started, just What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Our method for today is all about using QUORA and getting paid over $1,000 by doing so. It's worldwide available, so you don't need to worry about that. You won't be needing any skills or prior experience of this sort, and all you're gonna have to do is copy and paste. It's perfect for beginners, so you really have no problem here. We're gonna be earning so much money on complete autopilot and by following simple steps, so let's get right into it. You know the drill. Head on over to your default browser and I'll type in upleap.com, and this is how that website looks like. We're gonna need this website and pair it with QUORA in order to get the money going, and we're sure you have no idea yet how these two will work together, so if you don't want to get confused or lose track, then make sure that you focus and watch closely. So this is what Upleap is. You're gonna buy Instagram followers and grow your account faster. Tired of spending loads of time trying to grow your Instagram? Buy Instagram followers safely and securely through Upleap. Although we aren't here to buy Instagram followers because we don't need any of that, it's important we know what this website is about and what it does so that when we administer our money making magic, you won't be too clueless. Anyway, scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and then look for affiliates under Learn and click on that, and that should take you to this page right here. The Upleap affiliate program help others grow their Instagram audience faster and get commissions at the same time. You can become an affiliate for free. Getting started is simple. Participation is free and has no hidden costs. Expect affiliate commissions for all orders of clients you bring to the Upleap community. You can also generate your custom URL. Once you've joined Upleap's affiliate program, you can generate your own affiliate URL to share with your community, ClickFunnels, or anything else that'll generate you orders and revenue. There's also an option to share your URL everywhere. Sharing your URL is crucial to earning yourself recurring commission. We value affiliates of all sizes, but we really appreciate affiliates that build out custom funnels to really snowball their own recurring revenue. The more orders we get, the more commissions you'll see. Our top affiliates get paid out over $10,000 monthly. And of course, you can track earnings and get paid. You'll be able to track every new client you bring to Upleap through your own dedicated affiliate panel. Each client you bring to Upleap delivers you a 30% commission for every order they place with Upleap. Payments are made at thresholds. The supercharged affiliate program, we've made sure that the affiliate program you participate in is lucrative enough to keep you with us in the long run. Commissions run for each client you bring to the platform. Why don't you sign up right now? And we will sign up right now, but let's just finish going through this webpage first. Your dashboard streamlined. Gain access to your very own affiliate dashboard where you can track order metrics and revenue. Every order is tracked. Every order gets correctly attributed to your efforts, displayed directly on your own affiliate panel. Get paid on time every time. Get big payouts for every subscriber you bring our way, and you're paid on time every time. Lucrative commissions. Grow with us reliably. A new client means a payout for you for as long as they keep placing orders. There's simple setup. Setup takes a few minutes and it's really easy to get started. Make sure you generate your own custom URL and start spreading the word. It's transparent. There's trackable progress. We're looking for affiliates that are the cream of the crop. We provide all of our affiliates with safe, measurable ways of monitoring their growth. There's dedicated support. You got a question? We take care of our affiliates. Get direct access to our support and we'll help you every step of the way. Help others power up their Instagram while growing your own revenue. Becoming an affiliate has never been easier. Earn a juicy commission on every client you attract and get recurring payouts while the client places new orders. Now, before we proceed to signing up and finally start making some money, please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see on our future videos so that we can base it completely off of all of your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. To sign up, you can scroll back to the top and then click on Become an Affiliate Now, and as soon as you click on that, you're going to be taken to right here. Upleap Affiliate Program. Help others grow their Instagram audience faster and get a 30% recurring monthly commission at the same time. You're going to then fill up all of the details being asked, so your first name, last name, email, and password, and then confirm that you are not a robot, and then agree to the terms of service, and ta-da! Hit on sign up now, and just like that, you're gonna be taken straight into your profile settings, and you're gonna have to set your whole account up. So we're starting off with your profile, and you can go ahead and upload a photo, then your address, your company, which is optional, so leave it blank if you don't have any, and same goes for the website part. Then make sure you save that. Then of course afterwards you're gonna fill up your payment details, and this is crucial or else you're not gonna be able to make money or get paid even. So make sure you complete this part, and once you're all done with that, you're in your account, and this is your dashboard. And on your dashboard, you're gonna see all of your current stats to keep you informed on your clicks, conversions, commissions, and total commissions, which is great because you can find everything on here. If you click on reporting, you're gonna see this, and when you click on assets, this is where you're gonna find your affiliate link, and you can easily just copy that like so, and then it's time to figure out where we can post this link for it to get the most traffic and for us to make the most amount of money. You've probably already guessed it, but yes, this is where QUORA comes in, and you can't just go on QUORA and post your link because no one's going to see it and you won't see your results. Instead, just finish today's video because we're going to give you a script that you can copy and paste on only certain parts of QUORA, and it is only in that way that you're going to make money. Before we move on to QUORA and the exact instructions, if you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you are not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all our lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Open up Google Docs, and as you can see, I have a script here prepared for you, and what you can do is pause this video and copy the entire script that you're seeing right here right now, but make sure that you replace my affiliate link with your affiliate link, alright, or else all the money that you're supposed to be earning will go to me instead of you. So make sure you input your affiliate link. Then once you've inputted your affiliate link and then the whole script is all set and ready to go, you can now copy the entire script and keep it there, and then go ahead and open up QUORA.com. Make sure that you have an account, and then you're gonna look up something like how to get more Instagram followers, or maybe where can I get more Instagram followers, somewhere along those lines, and then all of the posts related to those questions will pop up, and from that, I'm guessing you can already understand that these people want a way to gain Instagram followers, and we're gonna help them. What we're gonna do is we're gonna leave them to Upleap, because through Upleap they can get more Instagram followers. So comment or reply to all the posts that are asking the same question over and over again by pasting the script with your affiliate link attached to it that you had just copied, and then just like that, all these people are going to click on your affiliate link, subscribe to Upleap, and then you're going to make so much money. And that's pretty much it. Make sure that you leave a comment down below on what you loved about today's video the most, and if you have any suggestions or recommendations, we will read through them and try to respond to all or as many as we can, because we appreciate them a lot. So that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.